think of a phrase that is hard to say. If you saw the Hawaiian prayer over there, 4 phrases that I find very hard to say are very simple ones. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. And thank you. So if you can't think of one offhand that's been weighing on your heart, use your little guide there during this activity to translate maybe one of those very simple, difficult things to say. All right, we have our dits and our das. I'm coming in there. I will sprinkle sound around the room. Don't start your message until you see my hand come around the room. Once we are all the way around, surround sound with our hard messages, the band will start to play, and you will all be the ground through which we can send these hard messages into music. Are you ready?